welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time on this channel, you are very welcome to the family. Thanks very much for stopping by, and please do not go without pressing the subscribe button. Please, it means a lot to me. And please press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified quickly. And please like the videos if you like what we're doing here. Show us love, like, give us good comments if you like what we're doing here. Comment, like, and share with family and friends, because there is love in sharing. Guys, please help to grow this channel with me. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are great. Thanks very much for coming back, and thanks for staying with me. If you do not come back, if you don't come back to watch me, I wouldn't be encouraged to do more videos. So guys, I just want to say thank you, guys. And to my new subscribers, I got like 5 subscribers yesterday. I just want to say thank you to you guys. Thank you. Thanks very much, and let's keep the channel growing. Thanks, guys. So yesterday I was preparing to make ogbono. I think I did the video that I was going to cook different things yesterday, but unfortunately when I came back from the mechanic, I bought some. Then I wanted to make lasagna and ogbono yesterday, but unfortunately the guy that was repairing my boiler couldn't finish quickly, so I just gave up. And today now he's coming again today, but I quickly want to do pasta bake. So because pasta bake is easier to do, it's faster. So this morning we are going to make pasta bake. It's very simple and very lovely, very delicious, and it doesn't entail a lot of ingredients. So guys, let me introduce you to my ingredients. All right.
In that bowl, I have my turkey, diced turkey. I have my diced white onion, green, white, and yellow pepper. I have my garlic there. I have my spring onion, my tomato paste, and I have my fusilli pasta. So the tomato paste is made from red pepper, scotch bonnets, and onion. The next step is to pour my pasta in my pot and add salt, water, and oil. The oil will prevent the pasta from sticking together. I will leave it to cook for 15 minutes. It is time for me to prepare my sauce while the pasta is cooking. I added my olive oil in the pot and leave it to heat up. Then I added garlic and onion to bring out their flavor. I added my herbs, my choice of herbs. I added the choice of herb that I like to use. So be free to use all the herbs that you are comfortable with. I added my diced turkey and I seasoned it with a jumbo seasoning. I also added my leftover stock water that I had in the fridge. You don't have to use it if you don't have any. You can add just ordinary water. So the next stage is to add my diced red, yellow, and green pepper, as well as my tomato paste and my spring onion. After 15 minutes, my pasta is cooked and it's ready to be drained. So I'm draining my pasta and my sauce is ready. The sauce is ready, so it is time for me to mix them together. After thorough mixing, I transfer the pasta into my oven dish. And sprinkled mozzarella cheese as I desire. I added the cheese according to my children's preference. So you can add more cheese if you like to add cheese. And you can add more red, yellow, and green pepper for to bring out the beautiful color. But my children doesn't like too much pepper, so that is the reason why I decided not to add a lot of pepper and a lot of cheese. So we're going to leave it into the oven for 20 minutes. You're welcome to our motivational lounge. Today we want to talk about you. Prove yourself to yourself and not others. The difference between these two statements is that when you prove yourself to yourself, you are not trying to spite or impress others. You are doing what you know how to do naturally with ease. When you want to prove yourself to others, you want to tell others that you can do more than them. This may lead to strife or running a rat race or even struggling to achieve success. You don't need to impress others to prove a point. Just stay focused and prove yourself that you can achieve success. Let your success announce you to others. Don't try to prove yourself to others, but prove yourself to yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the kitchen. Yeah, our pasta bake is ready. It took only 20 minutes. Look at that golden brown pasta bake. Look at it, so beautiful. So pasta bake can be cooked in different ways. You can add whatever you feel like adding into your own. You can add mushroom, you can add prawn, you can go vegetarian, you can make it all vegetables. You can make it chicken, you can make it hot dog, but because my children doesn't like it to be too fancy, that is why I just keep it so just one meat, which is turkey. So you can add more than one meat. You can add turkey and chicken, you can make it turkey and sausage, you can make it turkey and ham, chicken and ham, all like that. It's so lovely. Now, if you are watching this channel and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe quickly because we have a lot coming up.